This explains the process of correction in PAN data in any TDS return filed earlier. This is part of the preparing the correction return. It is presumed that data from the latest console file has been imported for making corrections. Click on Correction Return. Click on Make Corrections. The interface shows list of all imports from the console file. Select the one that needs to be corrected. This is the dashboard for preparing correction returns. It contains the summary of the selected console file and corrections already made on it. Click on Proceed to Corrections. Click on Challen and Deductee Deductions. Select the challen that covers the PAN for correction. Click on Deductee Details. The list of deductees in the selected challen is displayed. Select the deductee and click on Edit. Make the necessary changes in the PAN data. Click on Save. Click on Yes. The PAN details will get updated. If more occurrences of the same PAN is found in the return, there would be a prompt seeking permission to update all. Click on Yes. The updated deductee record will get highlighted. Click on Go back to basic screen. Once all other corrections are done, click on Generate Return. The return will get generated with all the corrections, including the PAN details. This FVU file needs to be submitted to the department. Click on Exit. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for your time.